Hi there, this is a very, very quick way of manifesting. This is not a meditation, so you know. This is more about speeding up what you want to achieve and letting go of the things that are blocking you on the way. This is just a basic recipe. You can create your own according to this simple, let's say, recipe. Some of you remember already, like we meditated, we actually took a lot of time to put ourselves in the alpha state and meditated, creating the tree, the column of light. Imagine we are a tree trunk and there is the crown of the tree, the branches, the roots are going deep into the earth, and we were having the specific breath of breathing from the bottom, from the top, meeting in your heart, changing, mixing the energies and giving it back as the perfect exchange, giving it back above, below, and extending it to every side from our heart, creating that bubble of energy. And when I'm talking about it, please do so, do it in your own pace, to your own comfort, at least 3 times, trying to extend that breath and feeling like it's floating, flowing through your body in every direction when you breathe out. It's perfect practice to do for everybody who currently goes through from frustration, blockages, fears, anything that you do not want to experience in your life, because you probably have a connected symptom to that. So pick the symptom, locate it in your body now. Any pain you experience, can be your shoulder, your head. A lot of tension is usually, especially for women, I don't know why, but for women, is in the solar plexus. There is some tension on our back sometimes when we work, when we don't move for a longer period of time. So when you breathe in and out and you're maintaining that breath, you can also scan your body and pick that one spot. For today, you can locate it, let's say, in your solar plexus. I discovered that some time ago with one of my great shamans therapists. We created a ball of light in my stomach, and probably you will see that your ball of everything you do not want, it can be pretty heavy, sitting there with the not so nice colors. Mine was brown, and you can imagine how it's heavy, and with every breathing out, some of it goes spread out in light, and this tension, negativity, or whatever you do not want, but it's your power, you just put it in that bowl, in that one bowl. Don't worry that it's not so bright now. It's okay. It's still yours. It's still your energetical load that you can do something about it. So take one more breath from above, from below, meet it in your heart, and when you're spreading out some of that colors that you do not like, they are not so bright, put it in that bowl of light. And then with the last breath, when you going to breathe out, locate this bowl out of your body. You do not have to throw it out anywhere yet. It's yours. So let's not pollute the earth. It's totally yours. Spin that bowl. Maybe it's a nice color yet, but when you're speeding, when you imagine that it speeds, goes very fast and faster and faster, you may notice that it gains light. The faster it goes, the more light it goes. This is your power. This is your absolute power. These are your potentials, your powers, your talents, but you can ask the universe to do it also, recycle it with you, for you, so you can lift it out there. Ask your, whatever you believe in, your master, guide, spiritual guide, or God, and ask him, her, to do it for you. So it helps you out to change it with that speed to the talents that actually are yours. And when they are done, you keep breathing. I assume you keep breathing from the above, from below, meeting in your heart. You keep spreading it outside. You're waiting for that bubble of beautiful light now come back to you, coming through your chakras And now it's going to give you more light, feeling in every cell of your body. So it goes to your head. It creates a little light explosion in your head. You can use the sound when you breathe out, ha, like this, or just use your fingers, that's also fine. Go down to your throat. Feel the explosion there. This is very shamanic way of doing it. Some shamans do that. It goes to your heart and you feel that explosion with a breathing out. Whenever you're ready, go to solar plexus, your abdomen, and do the same. Feel that spread of light emanating outside and creating just more light. And then to your crown, to your basic primary chakra, and to your legs, rooting it down and feeling it more light. Now feel your every cell of your body, maybe imagine DNA, maybe spiral of that DNA shining brighter and brighter. Maybe your telomeres are going longer and longer. And keep breathing from above, from below, meeting in your heart, spreading it outside, creating more and more light all around you. From this moment on, it's like in this cosmic spaceship, your body, as a you can imagine as a tree or a cosmic spaceship, you can start create your reality. So think now of this best lifestyle, best world you desire, because this is your movie, this is your script. You can write it now, you can imagine it in your imagination right now. Some people use the screen in front of you, so you can also look and project what do you want to see there. Every time when you do your breath, remember your breath is your fuel to speed up and create more of what you want. So when you breathe out, now you give energy to all around you, plus to the image you want to hold. That is yours. It's absolutely yours. So with whom you want to hang out, what kind of people you want to be around with, what kind of community you want to create, how do you want to feel, how your day is supposed to look like. All of that, take your time for that, but do not think now too much. Just see what your mind will create for you. Pick one image and just breathe out more light to that image and see what do you hear, what will you experience, what intensity of the good feeling you are going to experience. See your face. Maybe you are going to hear something. Maybe you are going to smell something, taste something, be around someone. Where are you? What country you are? What is your surrounding? What are you doing there? What is your basic function right there? So you can make the picture brighter. You can make it adjusting to the sound, the way you want to hear it. And of course, you can adjust the intensity of the feeling you want to experience. Too much excitement or just enough excitement, joy, love, serenity, or just being in a perfect peace state of mind. And take your time with that. I'm going to leave you with this for a longer time. If you manage to practice, it's just, several minutes per day. You don't have to sit in a long meditation. You don't have to sit for a longer time and think hard about it. It is enough to just see and look and observe what your best self want to show you on that screen. By breathing out to that screen in front of you, that perfect picture, you actually making it stronger. When you're done, you can breathe that all in and see how it is merging with your body, how it's corresponding, and maintain it all through the same type of breath. We are still doing the same breathing, the same type of breath, from above, from below. Remember the tree image for all the time. When you go into automatic pilot for a second, pick up yourself back and keep focusing on this one image and one breath only, and always come back to this one image only. And from that moment, if you're able to maintain it, then just create this one thing more, and then just one thing more, and go back to yourself and start all over again. Thank you very much for today. I hope this was helpful. Let me know about it. If you going to experience any unwanted advertisement, if you let it go, if you turn down the volume of it and you let it go, then I thank you for that, because actually maybe I can make something from it. But this content is absolutely free. And if this state of mind of the creation, know also that you can program yourself that none of this content of the advertisements that you do not want is affecting you. For putting down the volume and letting it go, I thank you so much if some of you do that. Let me know how it was. What were you able to manifest in your life? Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye bye.